All right, today I'm replacing the directionals on a 2017 Jaguar XE R Sport. The blinkers are out, and here's how you get to the taillights. There's a couple access ports. One is this little door here. Twist it, pull it open. One is this little circle port here. Simply pry it open. Inside, you can see a little white screw. Let's see if we can't get a better image of it here. Here's looking inside the tail lamp. That little screw right here is what you're gonna loosen. It's pretty simple, really. There's a little white tab back in here. And there's that white plastic screw. Take and loosen the plastic screw. Should be just finger tight. That spring keeps the pressure down on the lamp. This is just going to loosen. You can actually see here the lamp getting loose. Remove this piece. Go back in, push this little tab down. The lens will loosen and pop out. It's really that simple. The other way is going to be the same, except it's behind a panel and you need to remove, you can just slip that panel open and loosen the nut the same way. And then replacing the bulbs is as easy as unscrewing these buttons and pulling the light bulbs out. To remove the lamp from the harness, push this little tab, slide the socket off, and your lamp is free. Replacing the bulbs is simple. Just take this, loosen it 1/8 of a turn, and this is going to be replaced with a 16-watt bulb. Put it back in, lock it down, and same with this one. This is the other signal lamp. And that's it. And it goes back in. Installation is just as easy. Just reverse, reconnect the wiring harness, slip this back into the hole. You will see the tab come back into place there, and then you're going to reinsert, go in through this door here. This is what this little access door is for. Go in here, and then you can see what you're working with. And just screw it in until it's snug. Back on. all done. As you can see, we're back in action. What I didn't say is you should use a 16 watt bulb like a 920 or a 921 Sylvania.